Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the polymer technology. Unit number 1, properties of polymer. Now start the different types of polymer નો classification આપણે discuss કરી ગયા છે. Technique of polymerization, bulk polymerization, solution polymerization આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. Okay. Now start the different solubilities in the emulsion part. Okay. Now I start with the solution polymerizations. ઓકે અને ઇમલ્શન પોલિમરાઇઝેશન્સના ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે. એઝ ઇન ધીસ કેસ એની સસ્પેન્શન. ઓકે સસ્પેન્શન પોલિમરાઇઝેશન અને ઇન ઇમલ્શન પોલિમરાઇઝેશન ટુ ટેક ધ મોનોમર and disperse is the aqueous phase, not as discrete droplets, but as a uniform emulsion. The emulsion stabilized by the surface active agents, prospective colloids, and also by the certain buffers. The surfactants can be anionic alkali salt, of a fatty acid, and of a aryl alkyl and alkyl sulfonic acid. Catinyl alkyl amine hydrochlorides and alkyl ammonia halides are non-ionic alkali glycerol and saccharose esters of fatty acid. Simple. This is a discussion, maybe the suspension polymerization. Okay. અને ઇમલ્શન પોલિમરાઇઝેશન્સ છે એ જોઈશું કે ઇઝ ધ કેસ of a suspension polymerization in a emulsion polymerization to the monomers disappeared in the aqueous phase, not be the discrete droplets. But as a uniform emulsion. The emulsion stabilized by the surface active agents and the protective colloids and also by certain buffers. The surfactants can be anionic alkali salt of fatty acid of aryl and alkali sulfonic acid. Now which is possible. Okay, this is the main point. This one to this one. Or non-ionic alkali glycerol, saccharine esters of fatty acid, surfactants and the purpose of lowering the surface tension at the monomer of water interface and facilitate emulsifications to monomer in a water part. Okay, facilitate emulsifications. Surfactant serves the purpose of lowering the surface tension at the monomer water interface અને some facilities છે. Okay, જે facilities emulsions છે of the monomer in a water owing the their low solubility surfactants get fully dissolved or molecularly dispersed only at low concentration. Beyond a particular concentration, the excess quantity does not get molecularly dispersed, but some formally molecular aggregates known as Michels and an equilibrium is set up between the dissolved surfactants molecules and the aggregate ones, the highest concentration wherein all the molecules are in a dispersed state. Okay, dispersed state and or the concentration beyond which only Michel formations is possible to known as critical Michels concentrations. Typically, some example of surfactants and their critical Michels concentration part are given in a 2.6. We know that emulsifier molecules are made two of the two parts. A long non-polar hydrocarbon chain to which is attached a polar group such as COONA. This is a formula. Okay, this one. Attach a polar bond in the group for a COONA, यानी कि ketone Na, SO3 Na, NH2HO. For a in a missile formation, the emulsifier molecules or aggregate such a way in this polar end. Okay, this is a simple list of the surfactant and their critical misses concentrations. જે ઓલ ઓવર જે ડિટેલ્સ તમને આપેલા છે એ આ ડિટેલ્સમાં છે. નાવ this is a simple formula and the CMC critical missiles concentration part simply ટેમ્પરેચરના બેઝિસ પર આપેલું છે. ઓકે, जी ये ओवरऑल ये एनायनिक ग्रुप है. ओके, राइट डाउन द ऑल डेटास. Okay, this formula for a CH3CH2 compound that is to Na for the critical measure concentration values was 6.5 into 10 is to 1 and the temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius and the uh, 10 basis COONA sodium the 5.6 critical missions concentration part and the temperature is 20 to 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, all the data is in there. अलग अलग डेटा पर नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. Okay, all this data is important. This 6.5, 3.0, this one, all temperatures. Okay, now so simply discussion again this one emulsion polymerization. In such cases અને suspension polymerizationના બીજું પર છે. In emulsion polymerization to the monomer and dispersed in the aqueous phase not as discrete droplets but as an uniform emulsion. And the emulsion stabilized by the surface active agents, surfactants, protective colloids, and also by certain buffers. And the surfactant can be anionic alkali salts of fatty acid and of allyl and alkyl sulfonic acid. Then alkyl ammonia halides are non-ionic stabilizations, lowering part of this surface tension and simply owing on their low solubility surfactants get fully dissolved or molecularly displaced only a low concentration and the dissolve of the part in a particular concentration of બીજું પર જોઈશું આપણે. And this one, okay, simple discussion again. This is a non-polar hydrocarbon chain. So in a completely flow diagram for a molecule substances and aggregate surfactant molecules. In a polar head of the surfactant molecule માટે જોઈશું આપણે of the molecule align themselves outward and the hydrocarbon and come close to each other molecules and in interior. Okay, this is a figure 2.3. Okay, schematic representation કરીશું. This is a polar head and surfactants, and a dotted line is the non-polar. Due to the close proximity of the hydrocarbon ends of all emulsifier molecules, the interior of the micelles act as a hydrocarbon phase where the monomer can be solubilized. Now when the monomer is added and agitated, emulsification take place. The resultant emulsion in a complex systems and a molecular solution of the emulsifier in a water in the continuous phase wherein the monomer droplets and micelles having the solubilized monomer and their interior. Okay, due to the close proximity of the hydrocarbon to all of the emulsifier molecules in the injector, emulsification take place the restaurant resultant part. Okay, which one? This one. Okay, all this for this is a monomer. Surfactant in the chain surfactant molecules. Okay, now this solution phase will be also contain a part of the monomer dissolved in it. Okay, all the surfaces. It's a aqueous phase. Okay, all this part in a aqueous phase and aggregate surfactant molecules form a non-polar hydrocarbon chain to the surfactant part molecules polar head of the surfactant molecules. The schematic representation of the molecules distributed in water completely dissolve at a low concentration part, and B the dissolve as well as aggregate beyond the critical mixture concentration part. ઓકે અલગ અલગ જે પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલા છે એ બેઝિસ પર જોઈશું. પોલાર એન્ડ નોન પોલાર બેઝિસ. Due to the close proximity of the hydrocarbon and of the all molecules, emulsion molecules in the interior of the micelle act as a hydrocarbon phases where the monomer can be solubilized. Now when the monomer is added, an agitated emulsification take place for resultant emulsions. Okay, the resultant emulsion is a complex system is and a molecular solution of the emulsifier in a water is the continuous phases wherein the monomer droplets and micelles having the solubilized monomer at their interior are uniformly dispersed. See the 2-point figure 4. If the monomer slightly soluble in a water, then the aqueous emulsifier solution phase will be also contain a part of the monomer dissolved in it. Okay, the monomer molecules are monomeric unit in the polymer chain is and surfactant molecules આપેલા છે અલગ અલગ. Okay, now the simple discussion part for a polymer science. The difference between the suspension system and the emulsion system is that while both of these monomer droplets, okay, critical emissions concentration part becomes the all emulsion system, and the system generally utilized in the water soluble initiator such as the purifier and the redox initiator are also widely used in the emulsion polymerization technique. We have a system already mentions the monomer is represent suspended droplets. Okay, simply figure માં આપણે જોયું કે એની મોનોમરની સાઇઝ કેટલી છે. ઓકે, ફોર સર્ફેક્ટન્ટ મોલિક્યુલ્સ અને મોનોમર મોલિક્યુલ્સના બેઝિસ પર છે. ઓકે, નાવ ધી polymer chain surfactant molecules માટે. Okay, this is the simply list of the surfactant missile concentration part. List of surfactant and their critical missile concentration part. Okay, this is the as in the case of the suspension polymerization. Okay, thank you so much.